To create super simple fading text in Canva, add your image to the page, right-click on it, and select Set Image as background. Go to Text and add a heading. Click the Caps button to make it uppercase. Change the text color to white. Choose a font such as Anton, and increase the size as needed. With the text selected, go to Text Color, click on the color wheel, and select Gradient. Take the gray color stop and drag it to the start. Click the plus button to add 3 more white stops. Change the first color to white. Click on the second gradient style to ensure you have the right type selected. Go to the final white circle stop and use the transparency tool to bring it all the way to transparent. Do the same for the second stop. You will see the text start to fade at the bottom. Adjust the third stop as needed to control the level of fade.